Do you wish you could sell your properties 70% more than market value? Well, that's what just happened with the Real Brokerage REMAX announcement.
So I've seen a lot of comments online, a lot of posts online, but here's what I haven't seen anybody talk about, is the fact that REMAX is the best negotiators in the business. And I think it's traditionally and historically started at the top with Dave Liniger. He's a 40% owner of REMAX LLC, the publicly traded company, and negotiated the deal. Obviously the board, did that part as well, but it's all in the announcement stuff. But I haven't seen people break down the deal that REMAX was trading at $8 a share on Friday. And when the deal was announced on the Monday, the deal works out to $13.80 per share, which is a 72.5% premium on what it was publicly trading for the Friday before the announcement. So the question is, what is Real Brokerage buying, and why do they want to be that kind of value, pay that type of premium for the company? So let's break it down like a real estate deal. Real Brokerage, on their publicly traded books, last year lost $8 million. Now there's a lot of discussion about adjusted EBITDA. I like creative accounting too, but keep it apples to apples. They lost $8 million. But they're a fast growing and kind of emerging technology company in real estate, where REMAX is the legacy brand, known, trusted, but not the greatness technology. That's a shortcoming of REMAX for sure. And but they made $8 million last year. So Real Brokerage is literally buying cash flow. They're buying certainty, and the combined entities, they believe, can create efficiencies of $30 million. So now they're net neutral instead of losing money every year, and they think that there's future value in that merging of the two companies. So am I excited? Absolutely. We see the combination of Real's excellent technology, which we've looked at and seen before, and they're telling us we'll be able to get access to once the deal closes in the fall of 2026, combined with REMAX's magic formula for agent productivity. Even Real Broker on their own announcement, and everyone's talking about that online, is REMAX productivity per agent is unmatched in the industry. Now, as a franchise owner, we know why that is. We're bought into that culture. We know the key elements that generate that productivity for agents in our systems. And we prove it very true here in Edmonton. But at the end of the day, the combination of traditional brokerage, structure, culture, bricks and mortar office, support, combined with technology is the future of where our industry's going.